Assalamu alaikum class 9. In today's video we are going to start our unit number 2, real and complex numbers. Before starting exercise 2.1, let's begin with some initials of numbers. In the early years we got our first numbers, that is natural numbers, that starts with the number 1 and so does 2, 3 and so on. Later, when 0 was introduced, our numbers took the shape 0, 1, 2 and so on. Then it was named the set of whole numbers denoted by W. After then, we were introduced with the sum of the negative numbers along with the positive numbers and 0. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These sets in which positive integers, negative integers are setted along with 0 is known as set of integers. In today's topic, we are going to discuss our real numbers. What is real number? Real number is denoted by R. It is a huge set. Before introducing complex numbers, the real numbers were introduced. Real numbers is the largest set. After complex numbers, the largest set is real numbers. What does it contain? It contains the set of rational numbers, union, or along with the set of irrational numbers. Now we will discuss that what is rational number. Rational number is all those numbers that can be the ratio of any two numbers. Yeah, P by Q means the ratio of any two numbers such that P and Q are belonging to positive integers. Yeah, that can be negative. Sorry for that. And Q should not be equal to 0. This is the basic definition of rational numbers. Why are they saying that Q must be not equal to 0? Because if I take an example, 3 by 0, then there would be no such number that when multiplied with 0 gives you 3 as a result. So it is undefined. That's why we are saying that Q must not be equal to 0. This is not possible. What are the other examples of rational numbers? Any number can be a rational number. Any natural number can be a rational number. How? Let's say I'm saying that 3 is a rational number because it can be the ratio of 27 and 9. 27 by 9 always gives you 3. Then 4 by 8 is another example of rational number, that is in the form of fraction. 4 by 8 is always equals to 1 by 2. So it is also a rational number. In decimals, we can take 0.6 as an example of rational number. Why? Because 0.6 can be written as negative 0.6 can be written as 6 by 10, which further when divided or simplified give you the answers 3 by 5. So it is also a rational number because it is also the ratio of two numbers 3 and 5. There are many examples of rational numbers, but now we are proceeding towards our irrational numbers. What are irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are all those numbers that cannot be written in the form of P by Q. X such that X belongs to, or you can say X is not equal to P by Q. P by Q belonging to integers and q not equal to 0, the definition would be same, but there is equality and not equality difference. Yeah, and this sign, the difference of the not equality signs make it totally different. Means rational numbers are all those numbers that are completely different from the set of irrational numbers. I will explain it later, but now I'm going towards the examples of irrational numbers. Under root 2 is an example of irrational number. Why? Because it is such a number which can never be stopped. It can never give you a ratio of two numbers. It cannot be written as the ratio of two numbers. So any prime number that is under root, for example, under root 3, under root 5, or else all of these numbers must be irrational numbers because they cannot be written in the ratio of any two numbers. Yeah, that is what I was saying. Now we will summarize it as natural number is the subset of whole numbers. Yeah, because all of the numbers of the set of natural numbers are going to be contained in the set of whole numbers. Natural numbers is a set of whole numbers and whole numbers is a set of integers. Later, the set of integer is the set of rational numbers and the set of rational numbers is a subset of real numbers. The point 2 which noted here is rational number and the set of irrational numbers are totally disjoint sets because there is nothing common in both of the sets. Point number 3 is all of the prime numbers. For each prime number under root prime number is always irrational. Yeah, I took the example under root 2 there and now I am explaining again. Any prime number, we knew already that these are the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. When they are rooted 2, under root 3, under root 5, under root 7 and so on, they all would be the irrational numbers because they cannot be written in the ratio of any two numbers. Yeah, and the last point of it is square root of all positive non-square integers are irrational. What are non-square integers? Non-square integers. Non-square integers are numbers 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, not 9, 10, 11, 12, so on. These all numbers are non-square integers. When we take under root of them, that would be an irrational number. For example, under root 6 is an irrational number. Yeah, so for today's video, that is the end. In the next video, we will discuss about terminating, non-terminating, recurring and non-recurring decimal fractions. Up till then, if you have any queries in the first video of unit number 2, you will please let me know. Please comment below about your queries if you have. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further videos. जहाँ रहें खुश रहें, शाद और आबाद रहें, हंसते मुस्कुराते रहें. अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.